Hey everybody, I'm Mike Barato, Senior Director of Product Management for Entertainment Solutions at ADI. We're here today talking about the Episode Business Music solution. It is a suite of products from DSPs to mix amps to 70 volt amplifiers, built from the ground up for small to medium businesses, hospitality, to serve as background audio, foreground audio, and paging solution for any type of install in small to medium businesses. Start with the DSPs. These are actually a 16 by 8 or an 8 by 4 analog in and out with MOIP transmitter. That's our media over IP solution. So MOIP transmitters and receivers built right into the unit. We also have our EBMS mix amps, which are 4 by 2 with DSP front end and amplified output. And then our 70 volt amplifiers. Those are actually direct drive and configurable as 70 volt, 8 ohm, 100 volt, or 4 ohm, 8 channels and 4 channel solutions in 350 watts, 160 watts, and 80 watts per channel.